you see the political dynamics in the state and even in the country. So somebody says it's a poaching. No, NPP doesn't poach, but NPP inspired. So maybe so if somebody excited, if somebody inspired, no force can stop that player. So therefore, joining former LO and chief whip of the opposition joining the party is a very welcoming story for us, and this really inspired even like a junior member like this. So like a senior people joining the party is like a father figure for us. This really bring up the boost of the party workers at the party. This is testament to how this under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and all the top leaders of the party is inspiring. Then developmental activities, they're committed for the cause, committed for the service of the people. This really sending the message. This speak a lot.
So you want the other remaining 9 members to support NPP so that there is no opposition.
It is up to them. We can say anything, but like some main situation this in the politics, right? So a position also very important, but provided they give a constructive and suggestive opposition for the government. So for me, I'm happy everywhere. Even I've been given the opportunity to become a chokidar of the party office. I am ready for even to be the chokidar of the party.